This is the Shark Ultracyclone Pet Pro Vacuum, hand vacuum. It was $99 if you bought it by itself. I got it with a robot vacuum for free. It was a Black Friday special. Let's take a look inside. So this is how it's shipped. And here's the vacuum inside the shipping box and some packaging. Here's a look at the front of the box. It's 2.8 pounds, has a 2-year warranty. It says its features are clean touch dirt eject, motorized pet powered brush. It's supposed to be a self-cleaning pet power brush. So it's good for pet hair and long hair. The hair's not supposed to wrap around on the beater bar. Here's a look at the side of the box. Has a lithium battery. That's how you can eject the dirt. Has a washable filter. And here are the 3 attachments. Also has a scrubbing brush and a crevice tool. There's a look at the back of the box. Here's a look at the other side of the box. Let's open it up. Pull the tab. Here we go, got the box open. Here's the instructions for the CH900 and CH950 series. Here's the vacuum. Let's open it up. It's in a bag, so we'll take it out of the bag. Just pull it out of the bag. Remove the cellophane. So here is the Shark Ultracyclone. There's a look from the side. There's a look from the other side. We have a clip on the front here. Looks like we have the ejector button on the bottom. So if we close, let's close this. If we close that part and press this button, that opens that up. If we hit the button at the bottom, press that down, we can slide that out. Take a look inside there. Snap that back on. Over here is the crevice tool. So we'll take that out. There's a look at the crevice tool. Here's the scrubbing brush. So there's a look at the scrubbing brush. And then here we have a power charger. So we have our Shark charger. We'll plug that in. Charge the vacuum. That's it for over there. On the other side here, there's the motorized self-cleaning pet power brush. Take that out. Remove the cellophane. So here's our self-cleaning brush. There's your electrical connections on top. Here's a look at the bottom. It's 10.8 volt, 12 watt brush. So let's try these out. Also at the bottom of the dust cup is the washable filter. Let's plug in the hand vacuum. Plug in the adapter. The blue light is blinking. That means it's charging. Once it stops blinking, the light will be off and it's fully charged. It says it takes 6 hours to charge. We'll slide on the crevice tool. That just pushes in there. Take that out. Slide on the scrubbing brush. That just pushes on there. Okay. It's not that easy to take out. Okay, here's the self-cleaning brush. Slide that on there. Plugs in. We'll try this out once it's done charging. And when we're done, we can dump everything out and wash the cup in the sink. Let's try out the self-cleaning pet brush. I'm going to vacuum the stairs. Now let's try the crevice tool. Now let's try the scrubbing brush.